How to sign up for company account on Sprint CV. Step 1. Head over to our website, sign up, and click Enterprise CV Manager. Step 2. In the new window, enter your name, surname, and email address. Then choose a password with 8 or more characters. Accept the terms of service. Click I'm not a robot and complete the CAPTCHA. Then press Sign Up. Step 3. Head over to your email, open the confirmation message, and click here to confirm your email address. If you didn't receive the email, click on the link and we will send you a new one. Step 4. In the next window, enter your email and password to log in. If you've forgotten your password, click the highlighted link. Then enter your email, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Send Instructions. Head over to your email and click the link that says here. Afterwards, on the new window, choose and retype your new password. Once you've typed it in, click Change My Password and you'll be logged in.